Hi, I'd like to talk to you for a minute a little bit about the Polar Rock Repository. The Polar Rock Repository is a service for teachers and schools, and what it is they will let you borrow a box of rocks for 28 days. You have to send a check for $50, and they will send you the box that you can borrow for 28 days. Now, in the box are rocks that come from Antarctica, which I think is really cool. And these rocks are amazing. They've got a bag of igneous rocks, a bag of sedimentary rocks, a bag of fossils, a bag of metamorphic rocks, and some minerals and other rocks that don't fit into any of those four categories. So it's a pretty good service. And also, they send out this Journey to Antarctica book, which has all kinds of ideas for teaching about rocks, the rock cycle, fossils. It was really helpful to me this year when I taught fossils. In the fossil bag, there was a really good example of carbonized, it looked like a fern that was carbonized, and I was able to use that as an example to the kids. Each of the bags looks like this, and there's a ton of rocks in each bag. This one is the igneous bag. There's a bag with fossils and sedimentary rock, all kinds of rocks. And here's the metamorphic one. I'm going to include pictures of all the rocks that came in this bag in just a second. So once you see the rocks, you're going to know that this is just a great tool for teaching rocks. What else was I going to tell you? Oh, they also gave a stack of books that have to do with rocks, and they're over here somewhere in my classroom. Here are some of the books that they loaned out to me in the box. This one here is National Audubon Society Field Guide to North American Rocks and Minerals. And can't put those on my lap. Okay, this is Arctic Lights, Arctic Nights, which is a really cool little book. This is E-Guides to Rocks and Minerals from Google. There was Arctic and Antarctic eyewitness books. Love eyewitness books. This is a true book for rocks and minerals, which was in the box. Kids really love these. This one is the big book of rocks. Antarctic dinosaurs. A for Antarctica. This is an ABC book for younger children. This one is Why is the South Pole So Cold? And the Endurance Shackleton's Perilous Expedition in Antarctica. That would be a great read. So those are the books that were included in the rock box. And the rocks come in a bag that looks like this. So yeah, I would strongly suggest that if you're a teacher or a homeschool group leader, or if you're teaching a lot of kids about Antarctica or rocks, go ahead and rent out this box of rocks from the Polar Rock Repository in Ohio. And I'm going to put the links below for you to click on if you want to borrow the box. Just remember that you need to return all the rocks, and you need to make sure you get them back or you don't use them more than 28 days. So that's another thing that was in the box, which I thought was very nice, was a stack of pencils. Now this is all I have left, but there were a lot of pencils in there, maybe 50 to 100. I didn't really count them. I only have a few left. So all the students got a pencil from the Polar Rock Repository. So if I were a teacher or homeschool parent or something and you want to order this box of rocks, I'm not getting a discount or I'm not getting anything for this, but I just wanted to promote it because it's such a wonderful opportunity for students to find out about rocks. So that's it about the Polar Rock Box. Bye.